What's up? Apologize for not making a video. I've been really busy with my life and school. What I decided to do was to make a tutorial on how to make my favorite snack. Just because. So my favorite snack is from Zoom, and I don't really know what it's called. I probably need to check that out, but I'll put a link in the video to the Zoom website where you can find the actual recipe. But I call them Cheesy Crunchy Carls, and I have them a lot. Zoom was the shit back in the day. If you don't know what Zoom is, what is wrong with you? Honestly, I did like everything on Zoom. Like whatever they did, I just like ran to my friends and was like, hey, let's do this. Thank you so much to the very few people that actually watch my channel. I would very much appreciate any likes at this point or more subscribers. But I'm not gonna go on a huge rant and be like, you subscribe to me now. Thank you for the people that support me. I really like making YouTube videos, and yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Hello, welcome to my tutorial for Cheesy Crunchy Carls. I didn't like the view, so I changed it. I got a steady view now. So now I'm gonna start cutting the apples. Cutting! That's a Monty Python reference. Looks like I'm gonna cut my finger off. Now we get rid of all the seeds and crap, the stems, nastiness. And then we get a baking pan. And move the apples away. Then I took a bagel, and I realized you can't cut into a bagel if it's frozen. Smarty. So I banged it on the pan. That always helps. So then I microwaved it to soften it up. That's what she said. And then I took my apples and I put them on my bagel. I like to put my apples in a triangle, because in God we trust. And I think I used gala apples for this. I'm not really sure. I don't remember. Oh, look what you did. I ate that apple. No, I didn't. I'm just kidding. Now we're gonna put some cinnamon on the apple. Sprinkle, sprinkle. That's my sprinkle song. And it was really hard to shoot this, as you can see by my shaking camera. Now we're gonna put a dash of sugar on both bagels. And this just helps it give it a sugary flavor. And it's more delicious, in my opinion, if you put sugar on it. Now we're gonna put American cheese. I think it's American, I'm not sure. Slice on each. At 350, we're gonna put it for 5 minutes. Cook it for 5 minutes. Then, what do you do with all those apples you didn't put on the bagel? Answer. You eat them. That's what I did. I was a hungry hippo. Num num num. The bagels are ready! Now you're gonna take your oven mitt, safety first. Always. That's what it looks like when it comes out. It looks disgusting, but it's delicious, I promise. That looks really good to me actually right now. Thumbs up!